Automate your lead generation, customer engagement, and support effortlessly. We're offering a complete AI-powered chatbot solution that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This setup includes chatbot training based on your own website content, PDF files, or even Word documents, so the bot can answer real questions your customers are asking. Every time a visitor chats, it naturally collects their name, email, phone number, and more through simple, friendly conversations. Their details are saved instantly to Google Sheets, your CRM, or your database in real time. You never miss a lead. It even sends an automated email reply to your customer right away and notifies you at the same time. Want to book appointments? Your chatbot can do that too. Visitors can schedule a call or meeting without any back and forth. Whether you're a coach, a consultant, a local business owner, or an agency, this is your chance to start using AI to grow smarter and faster. And if you don't have a website yet, no problem. We'll build a clean, mobile-friendly one and install. Ready to get your free chatbot installed? Contact us now via WhatsApp at +1 916 2844 867 or visit adroit1ai.com to claim your free setup today. Let your website work for you 24/7.